This RE/MAX Equity Group property video is presented by Michelle Carter Smith. Welcome to an urban homesteader's dream with a modern mid-century feel in this open floor plan ranch home. Located between the Kenton and St. John's neighborhoods. This home is within walking distance of New Seasons and several parks. Spacious one-level living offers an oversized fenced backyard with a 10x10 tool shed on a concrete pad, and 8 garden boxes to grow numerous delights. There is a playhouse for the kids, a fire pit to gather with friends, a large covered patio to entertain throughout the year, and a big yard for the kids and family animals to run around and play. The interior is freshly painted with brand new carpet and brand new stainless steel appliances in the spacious kitchen. The refrigerator is included. The fireplace is a cozy plus during the chilly winter months, and the central AC is just 3 years old. All 3 bedrooms are spacious and the bathroom is updated. New PEX piping was installed throughout the home in 2022. The garage has a brand new door and the interior offers 2 built-in workbenches and shelving. The washer and dryer in the garage are included. Make this your dream home today. Bike score is 94. Open house Sunday, March 30th, 1 to 3 p.m., home energy score equals 5. HES report at https://rpt.greenbuildingregistry.com/HES OR 10,236,223. For more information, review